Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, I'm Evie Adele. Welcome to my channel. Please go ahead and subscribe my channel. So today you're gonna see me transform. I'm gonna braid my own hair, the triangle jumbo braids. And if you want to see me transform from this to this, then stay tuned. Alright, let's get into it. So we'll be needing braiding hair. I got 3 packs of the expression hair in the color 2, and as well we'll be needing white tooth comb and a pointed comb just to get the lines clean and that. But for a fact, guys, I can tell you guys that it's not gonna get really clean because I can't see my back. Look at all this hair that I hide under a wig. Lord, yes, people got hair. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna come through the hair and then we get straight into it. So you guys keep enjoying. Alright guys, so I just parted my hair at the back. Obviously the lines are not going to be straight. As I said, I don't see my back, but at the moment I just got a huge bit of the the synthetic braiding hair, and I've just put them together. There are different methods of how to braid your own hair. I just prefer to put them in this knot, tie them together like this so that I can get hold of strings like when I'm braiding the hair. So that's the reason why I use this method, and then I just start braiding my hair. I hold it with the thumb and just wrap it around my real hair, my natural hair, and start braiding. That's it. So guys, I do use a mirror for checking the back, and it helps in some type of way, but it's really hard because it's just reversing it. guys, so sometimes whilst you are braiding your hair, the synthetic hair will slip down and it won't be tied and looking nice and that. So all you have to do is hold your natural hair and pull the synthetic one up. Guys, if you were wondering what song I was listening to, it was definitely none of the background songs that's playing at the moment. It was rather this song. Right, guys, so I decided then to section my hair because I've noticed that the triangle take more time than they should be. I just put them in different sections, twisted them, and then I went into braiding. So now I've literally braided all my hair except one twist left.